Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with a pixie. She has a nice cut refresh here, doing more of like an undercut pixie. Ooh, she went platinum. Wow. Oh, this is an absolutely breathtaking makeover. Wow, that platinum color looks so beautiful on her. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous transformation. So here we have someone with hair around their shoulders, and she ends up getting a pixie. I really like the shape that the stylist does here for this one. Such a cute style. So here we have someone with mid-length hair, and the stylist chops it off into a trendy shoulder-length angled lob haircut. She has a beautiful dimensional color change here as well. So here we have someone with a grown out pixie. Looks like she's back for a cut refresh. She's got a really pretty two-tone blonde and black color mix here. I really like the shape of the sideburns, very edgy. Really just adds a nice little overall touch and shape to the pixie. So here we have someone, it looks like she has hair just below the shoulders, and she wants to get the hair shaped into more of a lob. So the stylist doesn't actually have to cut much hair off here for this hair transformation. She's just basically shaping up the hair. Gorgeous. Nice, simple, and chic. It's amazing what a little bit of shaping can do. Can really just add such a nice hair change that isn't too drastic. Just a nice little subtle switch up here. And she did add a few color mixed in as well. A few colored pieces. And so here we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Ooh, she also got a nice shape up with a bob. Look at this color. She is ready for summer. So beautiful. So here we have another shape up transformation. So the stylist mixes in some bangs here and cuts the hair shorter. Oh wow, this is so cute. And this kind of reminds me of like the French girl bob trend, which was very popular last year. Such a cute little messy chic shape. So we're gonna see what the stylist does for this next one. Looks like she wants a bob. Hair is placed into ponytails and then cut. Oh, wow. Gorgeous. She got a beautiful mini bob haircut with some tousled waves. This looks so chic and polished. Very cute. So here we have someone with a bob. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Oh, she's getting some color. A nice shape up with this pixie bob. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. And she had her makeup done too. Wow, she looks absolutely breathtaking. What a makeover. So it looks like we have a long to pixie transformation here. Ooh, whoa. Okay, I was not expecting for her to dye the hair as well. Oh, wow. She looks like a completely different person. Beautiful short little pixie, and she also went darker with a hair color change. Very nice. So here we have someone, she is rocking out the ginger hair color trend. We're seeing a lot of this year. Looks like she's getting a bob. Oh, I love this. So gorgeous. I think what does it for me is definitely the color. So here we have another bob. So she's getting some color here. Ooh, a beautiful classic bob style. Gorgeous. So here we have another cut refresh. Beautiful bob. This is also like a play on the pixie bob. It's very short. It's got a nice little rounded shape to it. So cute. So here we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Stylist shapes the hair into more of a bob. Gorgeous. She has so much volume here within this cut. Very cute. So here we have someone with long dark hair. She's getting some color done. And she tries out one of my favorite trends for 2024, which is definitely this red hue. So pretty. And I like the fact that this red is kind of like a muted red, doing more of that like Coca-Cola red hair color trend. And then we have another bob makeover here. Beautiful bob with the layered bangs. Oh, I really like her outfit. And then we have someone who decides to switch things up from a bob to a pixie.